starting, smooth idling, slow traffic riding, engine stalling. Understanding the low to mid range on your Royal Enfield. Focus on the jet needle and vacuum diaphragm for smooth acceleration, city riding, and cruising.
Acceleration feel is all about smooth pickup. If the pickup feels flat or jerky, that needle height may need adjustment.
If pickup feels flat or jerky, the needle height may need adjustment in the CV carb.
Mid to full throttle, parts involved, main jet, Venturi airflow, what it affects, top speed. Engine performance at high RPM, main jet size may be wrong or partially clogged. The man, who knows the carburetor is clogged, enters the service road sideways.
So finally, you only need to know the engine's capacity and adjust it based on the conditions,
Such as city driving, hilly terrain, freezing temperatures, country roads, or coastal areas.
இது புரியுதா? தமிழ்ல சொல்லவா?